I want to share something important about the true cost of home ownership because understanding the full picture helps you make the best decision. Most buyers focus on the mortgage payment, but successful home ownership means planning for the complete picture: insurance, taxes, maintenance, utilities, and those inevitable repairs. Here's the good news. Home ownership is still one of the most powerful wealth building tools available when you plan correctly. Quick pause before I break down what this means for your monthly budget. I'm Susan Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button, drop a quick comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. All right, now back to the real cost you need to plan for. The key is to budget for more than just your mortgage. Insurance and taxes rise over time. Major systems, roofs, HVAC, and water heaters will eventually need replacement. So here's what the smartest buyers do. They create a dedicated repair fund with automatic monthly transfers. They keep cash reserves after closing. They buy with margin built into their budget. That margin is what separates homeowners who build wealth from those who feel financially stressed. True affordability isn't what a lender approves, it's what lets you sleep well at night knowing you're prepared. When you budget realistically from the start, home ownership becomes exactly what it should be: a wealth-building asset and a lifestyle you love. Ready to understand your complete home ownership budget? Let's create a plan that sets you up for long-term success.
For all of your Susquehanna Valley real estate needs, contact Susan and Kurt Johnston at Iron Valley Real Estate of York County.